I'm a dermatologist and I'm bringing you a filler treatment case today where I treated this LP8, so the area around the mouth. It's not a lip filler treatment, but the area around the mouth. And this is something not easy because most of my patients don't agree to use their images on social media, so I'm very grateful for this patient that she let me do so. And I have beautiful results, but I just can't share. And if you stay till the end of this video, I will also show you how can you be sure that you have a safe filler treatment. So this is the before picture. This is before the filler treatment. And you can see these barcode or so-called smoker lines. And I'm gonna shoot a video explaining why women has more smoker lines than men. And here there's a little bit of age-related volume loss plus a little bit of a sun damage called elastosis. So this is how I did the procedure by using a blunt cannula. So I had only 2 entry points at the corner of the mouth. I didn't use a needle with multiple in and out entry points. And I just used these thin retrograde threads in the upper lip and in the lower lip on both sides, which is a quite kind of gentle procedure without any major discomfort. And these are the before and straight after images, and as you can see on the right side, the lips are slightly fuller and volumized, the lines are less visible, and also there is no bruise and no irritation, so this is a very beautiful mild treatment to have with immediate results. And this is another set of before after images. On the left hand side you can see the patient showing a kiss, how the lip collapses more, and on the right hand side after the procedure the lip collapses less, it's more youthful, more volumized, but still natural. And this is an email from the patient that she sent on the same evening saying that she's very impressed with the filler treatment and she would like to book in for more. If you want to find out more about filler treatments, visit my website drbella.clinic, where you can find the dermal filler sections, and I believe it's very informative. And as I promised, if you want to make sure that your filler treatment or any other aesthetic treatment is done in a safe manner, check out the Safe Aesthetic Treatment campaign on my website so you will know what exactly you need to do to have a safe aesthetic treatment. Thank you for watching. If you found it useful, please share it with others and have a lovely rest of your day.